Come test drive the 2020 Toyota 86. The Toyota 86 provides an explosive driving experience. The power and suspension will remind you that you're behind the wheel of a true sports car. Not only does the exterior supply a bold look, but the interior will remind you that you're sitting in a premium vehicle. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, security system, fog lights, heated front seats, trip computer, panic alarm, brake assist, remote keyless entry, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps, front bucket seats. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.